Hi everyone, and welcome to our training session on enhanced security protocols and best practices. In today's session, we'll take a quick look at what we have learned from Project Odyssey, how we have strengthened our systems, and the steps we're taking to make sure Pixelcraft stays resilient and secure moving forward. This session isn't just about technology. It's about building habits and awareness that protects our creative and technical work every day. So why does this training matter? Well, after the breach we faced during the Project Odyssey, we've uncovered several vulnerabilities, not just in our systems, but in how we communicated and managed risk as a team. This session is our way of addressing those issues head on. It's about creating a proactive, secure culture where every team member understands their role in keeping our data safe and ensuring compliance with PMI's governance and risk management standards. Now, before we move on to what's next, let's take a moment to recognize what we have already achieved. We have built a centralized monitoring framework that gives us visibility across all project layers. We have tightened access control policies, improved our encryption systems, and trained every team on how to respond and escalate if something goes wrong. These achievements didn't happen overnight. They came from collaboration between our project managers, IT specialists, and creative leads working together towards one goal: stronger, safer project delivery. Behind these results was a structured PMI aligned approach. We began with a risk management plan, identifying high impact threats early and setting mitigation plans in motion. Through the stakeholder engagement plan, we ensured open communication and alignment across leadership and staff. Using agile iterative reviews, we ran short sprints to apply feedback quickly and refine solutions in real time. And throughout it all, we maintained a lesson learned register, capturing insights after every cycle to keep improving. The structured yet flexible methodology allowed us to stay responsive while keeping governance strong. Now, let us talk about what changed. The new security protocols we've improved, we've added multi-factor authentication for all administrative accounts, real-time system audits that flag unusual activity, and end-to-end encryption, both for stored files and data in transit. We've also adopted a zero trust access model, meaning no one automatically has access. Every request is verified every time. Together, these protocols create a multi-layer of defense, reducing the chance of another breach and keeping our assets protected. Of course, the security doesn't stop at the system level. It depends on each of us. Simple habits make big difference. Use strong, unique passwords and update them regularly. Avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing company's platform. Always verify the identity of senders before sharing files or credentials. And if you see anything suspicious, report it right away. These small actions done consistently form the foundation of a truly secure workplace. Security isn't a one-time fix. It's something we maintain and improve over time. That's why we'll be conducting quarterly audits and performance reviews to track our progress. We'll also keep feedback loops open, so if you notice issues or have suggestions, they can be discussed and addressed quickly. And finally, we'll continue holding refreshers training like this to make sure everyone stays up to date on evolving threats and practices. That's how we turn one successful recovery into lasting culture security. To wrap up, security isn't an IT task or a checklist item. It's everyone's responsibility every day. By staying alert, sharing knowledge, and following best practices, we not only protect our data, we protect our creativity, our teamwork, and Pixelcraft's reputation. Together, we're building a stronger, safer, and more resilient future. Thank you for being part of this initiative and for doing a part to keep our studio secure.